do a few laps of the Wayland Reserve and Ropes Creek. Bit of a search and find mission. So I was just cruising along, headed towards Debrinket Road. No intentions of going over the road. And just slowly going and seeing how good the vision was. And I finally get to Debrinket Road and make a sharp left. So I don't travel over the road at all. Too many cars on there at the moment. Not very high altitude, about 45 metres. And then as I'm approaching a clear spot directly over the Ropes Creek, I find these things. What are they? Are they rats? Are they cod? I've never seen cod in there before. But there you go. The things you find unexpectedly.